So today we are going to release and cleanse the aura from all the negative energies, all the symbols, or all the emotions that is hidden there in the aura. Go with the flow. Don't judge yourself. Don't try to analyze anything. Whatever you see, whether it is in a form of symbol, it is in a form of energy, it is in a form of colors, or it could be anything that might be coming up. It could be in a form of animal spirit. So we are going to cleanse everything that is affecting the body today. So take a deep breath and gently breathe out. Allow your body to relax and allow your shoulders, your jaw, your mind, and your eyes to relax. Keep relaxing as much as possible. Keep relaxing. Allow your jaws, your shoulder, yourself to relax. Now imagine yourself surrounded by soft, divine energy, very calm, very soothing. This energy is spread outside you in your aura, like an outline to your body and little away from the body. This light, the divine energy, will help you to be protected, to be peaceful, and to feel safe. Keep breathing into your body, in your heart. Allow your heart chakra to feel this energy of divine, and slowly, with each and every breath you're taking now, allow these energies to expand in your aura. Aura is magnetic field around your body. And when you're spreading this divine energy in your aura, you will find there's so many colors around, different colors, beautiful colors, rainbow colors. In these colors, wherever you feel the color have been little dark or they're not clear, maybe they are moving here and there, just feel the colors, get aware of it. Those are the point that needs the cleansing the most. So wherever you see the colors are being darkened, take your focus there and start releasing it out. The divine energy that you're holding right now will help to release all these energies that is hidden in your aura in a form of color. You may also notice there's some symbols around. Be very careful. First thought, first impression, first feeling. Color that is dark, symbols. You may also notice there could be some figures around. Possibility of the black clouds too. All this must be from the current life. It could be from the past life. It could be belonging to you. It could be belonging to someone else. It doesn't matter. Allow the divine energy to cleanse it, release it out, and send it into the white light of the universe where it will be recycled. Keep breathing, and slowly keep moving from the top of your head till the toe of your leg, and again from the toe of your leg to the other side top of your head. Be very gentle to your aura and keep releasing it completely. You don't have to do anything. Divine energy will clean it by itself. You just be aware, just witness it releasing and going away from your aura into the white light of the universe. Allow this divine light to clear everything that does not belong to you, whether it is from the current life, from the past lives, whether it is from the situations or from the people. Let it go. You are free. They are free. And allow this divine energy with each and every breath you're taking now to get lighter and lighter, as glowing as possible, inside and outside you. The more it glow, more it will help you to release if there is any gray or dark energy that is hiding in your aura. Release it out and let it go into the white light of the universe. It's over. It ends now. Allow this divine energy to release any negative attachments, any external energies, or any cords that are attached in your aura to be released and sent into the white light of the universe where it will be recycled. Divine energies knows what to release. It will release everything that serves your highest and best good. So just command, I release all negative energies. I release all unwanted attachments. I allow my energy field to be pure, to be safe, and to be protected. Allow this divine light to flow in your body from the top of your head till the toe of your leg, and from the toe of your leg till the top of your head, like a circle outside your body in your aura. Allow it to get brighter and brighter, as glowing as possible. And one last time, Say to yourself, I choose to free myself from any negative energies, unwanted attachments, or any cords that is not serving my highest and best. I'm safe, I'm protected, and I'm energetically free. My aura is now clean, balanced, radiant. It is divinely protected and shielded. Breathe into your body, breathe into your divine energies. Keep feeling it as much as possible. And when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. Take your time, be with yourself, and feel free.